Good day, everyone. I am John Lex Reyes, and today I will be introducing you to Amazon Cognito. But before we start, let's go to the very concept first. So, I have prepared this analogy, okay? So, imagine you're walking into your university, and before coming in, the guard stops you and asks, "Can I see your school ID?" So, it is a normal routine. Every day, the guard checks who's allowed to enter. Students, professors, and employees can go inside. But what if you are a visitor or outsider? So you cannot go inside unless you have permission. Your school ID serves as your proof of identity. It tells the guard who you are and what you're allowed to do inside. Now, think about this. That's exactly how developers secure their web and mobile applications. But for them, it's not as simple as having a security guard. Authentication is much harder to implement, which consumes a lot of time for developers. Now, and this is where Amazon Cognito comes and say, "Don't worry, I got you." So what really is Amazon Cognito? Amazon Cognito is an identity platform for web and mobile applications. It helps developers easily add user sign up, sign in, and access control without having to build all the authentication systems from scratch. Now, this makes app development faster, simpler, and more secure. So developers can focus more on the main features of their application instead of worrying about logins and security. Next is we have the core concept. First is we have user pools or authentication. This part handles everything about who you are. Okay? It manages user sign up, sign in, and verification before giving access. Cognito also supports social logins like Google, Facebook, and Apple, and even go allow guest access when needed. Next is identity pools. So when we say identity pools, this is the authorization. Once the user is authenticated, identity pools decide what the user can access. For example, in my example to the university, once the student is inside the campus, they can now access the student lounge, the library, and of course the classrooms. Similarly to the professors, they can access all of them, but only they can access the admin and faculty rooms. So basically, that is the admin or that is the whole concept of Amazon Cognito. Okay. Next is the benefits of using Amazon Cognito. First is it saves development time. So with Amazon Cognito, developers don't need to build login systems from scratch. Next is secure by default. So the security of this is managed by AWS with built-in protection and compliances. And next is scalable. So even if you just have 10 users or 10 million users, it is very scalable and Nito, it can handle it for you. Next is cost efficient. The AWS splitter includes up to 10 gig of storage and 1 million monthly sync operations for free, which is a very generous amount of storage, just by thinking it's a free tier. Okay? Now, to summarize it all, building login, synchronization, and identity systems from scratch can be a complex and time-consuming process. But with Amazon Cognito, AWS handles those heavy tasks for you. It lets developers deliver a smooth, secure login experience so users can easily and safely access apps across all their devices. And that is Amazon Cognito.